Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all my dear staff members. I am observing the bright faces in front of me. Am I right? Okay. As you all know that we have gathered here because we are now moving towards the start of the session after summer vacation. So it was very much important time to conduct this beautiful session with my dear one. They are my staff members. So today we are going to conduct this seminar sort of workshop, sort of general staff meeting. In this session we will discuss number of things, and before discussing those things I would like to explain, I would like to break a news in front of you that in the start of this session we will celebrate the 10 years of excellence of principal here in Allied School China Scheme Campus. Or some teachers or the staff members, they are new one here sitting, so that they can also be able to participate in this session. And as earlier I said that before that we do have a very much simple a small ceremony. Once again I am going to repeat that 10 year of excellence of principal here in Allied School China Scheme Campus. I just want to introduce that this is the one decade has been completed here, and I must want to introduce myself in front of you because this is the new journey. After 10 years I am going to start with you, inshallah. I have done my masters MSc in bio and chemistry along with BS Ed, MS Ed back in many years back. I am not going to quote those years. Along with that, I think so I do have the 35 to 40 years of experience in this education journey. This experience is not only in Allied School, but before this Allied School, I was there in Beacon House, then the City School, then the Fauji Foundation School, then the Lahore Lyceum, and this journey ends here in Allied School China Scheme Campus. So you may say that I have the legacy of 35 years of education in the field of education. No one is completed, never ever. Everyone needs, or there is always a need for improvement. So I think so I am not completed, yet I am not completed. I have to learn a lot, still I have to learn a lot. I have to teach a lot. I have to get more knowledge a lot. So in this session I would like to introduce in front of you my whole team. They were along with me. They are more than they do have the experience of here in Allied School more than me, 2 or 3 years more than me even. So I must say these are the pillars of this Allied School. So first pillar, that is the CRO, Miss Asma Naik. She is here. I must say that from last 13 years, and the age of this campus is I think so 14 years, and she is here from last 13 years. Then second one, senior coordinator Miss Rabia. I don't want to say anything about Miss Rabia. She is my right hand. Obviously, the senior coordinator is always the vice principal, and she is here in Allied School more than me. Like 12 or 13 years back, she was here. At that time, I was in Beacon House, and then here comes one most favorite of everybody, Miss Zarka. She is also here from last 13 years, more than me. And next one, the fourth pillar, that is the little pillar, but very much important. Who generates the nursery here in Allied School? That is Miss Kiran. 5 or 6 years back, she was here in Allied School, and now she is the coordinator of preschool. These are the pillars of Allied School. A big round of applause for all my team. My dear teachers, the people who are under these pillars, under this roof, they are supposed to change. They often change. But this shelter or this shadow, Alhamdulillah, is not changed from last 13 years. This is the reason of progress of this institution. Clear? So without wasting much of your time, because light is doubtful in this situation, so I would like to proceed. So today is the General Staff Meeting Induction Program on Decade Excellence of Principal Allied Schools CSC 2016 to 2026. This is my decade. Get set and ready to watch a valuable story. This story is the motivational story. I just want to show this story in the start. Often I supposed to give the story or the motivational story at the end of the session, but today I decided that I must show this story in start, so that you must be more and more motivated and must involve yourself in this fruitful session. So this is a very much motivational story. You must read each and every slide and then absorb these words. I think so you people will involve yourself in this motivational thoughts. Thank you.